Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download a website as an app using Google Chrome. This lets you take advantage of PWA functionality, so the site works just like a smartphone app right on your desktop. First, make sure you have Google Chrome installed and updated. Open Chrome and go to the website you want to save as an app. For example, let's use YouTube. In the top right corner, click the three dots, hover over Cast, Save and Share, and look for the option that says Install YouTube. If the site supports PWA, you'll see the Install option. Click it. You can also install the site using the Install icon in the search bar, just to the left of the favorite icon. Once you click Install, a pop-up will appear asking you to confirm. Hit Install, and the website will immediately open as an app. At this point, you'll get another pop-up asking if you want to pin the app to your taskbar. You can choose yes or no depending on your preference. Either way, the app will now appear as a shortcut on your desktop, ready to launch whenever you need it. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded a website as an app using Chrome. Quick, simple, and perfect for making your favorite sites feel more like native applications. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.